Alright, so next we have in utilities is index switch. As its name says, it is a index switch, but how do you use it? Well, it's quite interesting and easy. What it does, it just switch between index. So let me actually add a cube here in the first one. And if I switch to 0 to 1, it just switch in between the index. So what do we have here? We have this two inputs, right? This two input takes two different geometry. And because we have this index switch, we can switch between those two geometries. And pretty much that's the main thing with index switch. If I add additional second index with, let's just say, a sphere, and if I put it here, I can switch between 0, 1 to 2, right? As it says, it is switching the index, so it will switch the geometry as well. And you can see even in spreadsheet, it switch the values of the geometry. And that way we can, take multiple geometries, and we can perform certain operations where we need a different index. And let me actually do a join. That way you can just use this, right? I know it looks weird, but you get the point. Like, you can just switch between the geometry, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.